Hello from Gardening at Dwensa here in Ireland, and this is the third video in a series. The first was when I dug up all the plants out of an existing border. The second was removing a very stubborn shrub, and this, the third, is how I replant that particular border. It's going to be gorgeous. Lots of orange, lots of wavy grass. Wait and see. And just to fill everybody in, those who haven't seen the first two videos, this is the border I've been working on, and it is very bare. We have some trees up that end which I'm going to keep. We have a nice peony, herbaceous peony. We have a hydrangea that I've decided to leave put, but everything else has been taken down to the point where we have those bushes down there. And today we're going to be replanting. And in case you think that wasn't much work, then have a look at what's just come off this border, and it's a lot of stuff. So first, before we start, I'm going to give it a quick rake. You can see there are lots of mounds and troughs where various plants have been dug up and removed, so just get a relatively even surface. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is replant these euonymus bushes, and they're a lovely yellow leafed bush, a bit green at the moment because I've just clipped them, and these are going to be the cornerstone of the border. So yellow mounds at intervals going down the border to add a kind of cohesion. So I have to decide where to place these first, and this is really important to get them in the right position, I think. So I'm going to do a bit of messing around here. And here we are, where I've laid out all of the plants as I'm going to replant them, and well, it's going to be gorgeous. Just to let you know that things that are more architectural or that the leaves are good, I've put to the front. So for example, the Stipa tenuissima, that's going to look good all season long. The geranium and Thompson is going to fill that up with purple flowers. This one here is going to give beautiful silver foliage all season. And for architecture, we also have Conifophia coalescens at the back. And here again. Then we have a variegated sedum that I've cut back, going to look good all summer long. And then dottings of the Alstroemeria oriana, the orange one, and the fabulous red daylily, which is going to look great. So I'm just leaving some space at the front for plants I've propagated. So the orange red hot poker is the dwarf one, and also I'm going to put some of the crocosmia in there at the back. So I guess nothing left but to get on with planting. And now the very last plant is going in. making sure to remove any stones that are underneath. Stipa tenuissima. Out it comes, in it goes. And it's all planted. And give everything a really good watering, especially the bushes that were lifted right in at the root. And that brings us to the end of the video. As you can see, I've potted up the alstroemeria, or as many of them as I want, and the border is planted, so we just have to wait now until spring, and spring will work its magic and bring that border to life. So check back to see it, and check back to see lots more gardening, orchid and plant stuff. Bye for now, and happy gardening.